Dynaway is a company where we focus on what we call EAM, that means Enterprise Asset Management, and that is what we do. It's talking about maintenance management in companies out there in the world. I think a common denominator for all the companies that we work with is that they have some kind of equipment that they would like to protect, or equipment they have invested in and that there is important to their daily business.
The main industries that we have worked with has always been food and beverage, manufacturing, and energy and natural resources. Those are asset-intensive companies that needs asset management. But I think it's also important that the customer can see the value of having a built-in solution.
There are many CMMS enterprise asset management systems out there in the world, but at Dynaway we have a very unique offering because we have a Dynamics strategy. It means that our software is developed 100% for Microsoft Dynamics. So for all of the customers with a Dynamics strategy, we believe that Dynaway is the right tool to select for their maintenance because it's simply a part of this Microsoft ecosystem. Dynaway's software is integrated with Microsoft Dynamics 365, both finance and operations, but also Business Central. This gives a huge opportunity for the customers to use the entire Microsoft stack.
When you are working with your work orders, and let's say you need a subcontractor, then you can just create a purchase requisition directly from the work order. It will go into the approval flow that procurement has defined. You don't need to integrate your third-party solution with your ERP. That is a huge advantage because it's the same user interface for everybody within the company. It makes it a lot easier for the IT department to maintain it, but especially when Microsoft comes with a new version or the third-party system comes with a new version, then you have to look at that integration again and again and again. And with a built-in solution, you don't need to do that.
Some of the functionality that we had, I would really like to mention, that is our graphical and front end in terms of analytics. That's a tool built in Power BI, so it has a very graphical appeal. And the features there are quite unique. It's very easy to work with. So that's a very popular feature at the moment. Similar to this, we also have a graphical front end for scheduling. And this is our scheduling board. And I think that this is also a very popular feature because it really shows the power of combining all of this data that you have inside Dynamics with a graphical front end that can be used to schedule. But if it comes to something like reporting to management with regards to finance and so on, I think one of the most popular features there, that is the way that we have built the software into the ERP platform. So it makes it very easy to report on data inside the system, and everything is in there, and the numbers match because it's not integrated, but it's built in from the beginning.